Question 19. We have find the value of x for which 3x squared plus 6x minus 2 all over x plus 2 bracket x minus 4 is undefined. For a fraction to be undefined, it means the denominator must be equals to 0. So the denominator here is x plus 2 bracket x minus 4. We equate it to 0. Here means here we have x plus 2 is equal 0 or x minus 4 is equal 0. Here you have x equals minus 2 or x equals plus 4. So for the value that is going to make this undefined, it's going to be x equals minus 2 or x equals minus 4. That's option C. Ṣó le, kò le.